In this video, I want to show you how to clean the print heads on your HP Smart Tank 5000. In case you're having issues printing, maybe you see some white lines on your prints. This means that the ink has dried inside of the printer and we need to clean this out. If you're not using the printer every week, this could appear from time to time. So let's go and start this video. Unfortunately, there's no buttons over here on how to do it. Okay, there's no screen. You cannot do it directly on the printer. You need to connect the printer, and you probably already have, to your smartphone or maybe to a computer, and then you'll be able to perform what I'll show you next. So you're going to open the HP app on your phone. I'll do it with my phone. Again, you can do it on a computer as well. Click on your printer. And now, okay, what we need to do is to go down. Select Print Quality Tool. Select View All Print Quality Tools. And now, down below, you have Clean Print Head, finally. So to do this, you'll have to insert some paper in your printer. Then select Clean. And you're going to get on the top over here, Print Head Cleaning in Progress. This process might take several minutes. So I'm going to put my phone down and do not touch anything. You can even extend the paper output because something will get printed at the end. But at this point, you just have to wait. Come back in 5 or even 10 minutes. Once the process will be done, I'll show you what to do. All right, so this got printed. Let's take a look. So you have your printer information here, and you have test pattern 1, test pattern 2, and 3. Let's start with the 1. So if the lines are not straight or connected, align the print heads. So take a look over here, and if those lines are not straight to you, the way they're looking on your screen right now, well, you'll have to do a print head alignment, not a cleaning. Then you have over here test pattern 2. If you see thin white lines across any of the colored blocks, clean the print head. So these, if you see lines going like this, white lines, you need to do a print head cleaning. And over here we have test pattern number 3. If you see dark lines or white gaps where the arrows are pointing, align the print heads. So in my case, you don't see anything. This is how it should look. Take back your phone, and it says over here, the device is printing a diagnostic page. If you're satisfied with the print quality of this page, click Done. So if what I showed you over here looks perfect the way it is on your screen right now, you're done. You don't need to do any print head cleaning, level 2. A simple one solved your issue. If you're not satisfied with the print quality of this page, click on level 2 cleaning. So you're going to click over here and it will do a more intense print head cleaning in that time if you press on that button on your phone. Now, every time you do a print head cleaning, it will waste some ink on these ink tanks. In my case, since everything is perfect, I'll click Done and I'll be good. If you had to align the print head, you'll need to go over here and do it. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful and it solved your issue. If so, please leave a comment down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.